Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Saxton Hale, the Kings of Hales 2, and we will be reacting to is Man versus Machine, the sound of medicine. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give this one a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified so that way you won't miss a single video that comes on into this extra channel. So anyway, if you guys want to subscribe to all three of my other channels, and also including this channel, subscribe to my backup channel, subscribe to my first channel, my gaming channel, Best Crew of Timelines, and my new channel called Dunkin' Gaming. Thanks. If you want to subscribe to that, then go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, my name is Saxton Hale, the Kings of Hales 2, and we shall be reacting to this video. And this video will begin now in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Let's enjoy the video. And also, this video was made by the same person who made Was Expiration Date. Thank you. So go ahead and subscribe to the original person, original creator, support original video, who absolutely made this video right now. So anyway, enjoy. Let's begin. Dang it. Rats, poor sniper. Come on, you Reds. Get the blue robots. Get them. Uh-oh. Run. Uh-oh. Come on, medic. Hurry up. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, yes. Come on, medic. Do it. Heh, look at that. Heavy's head was automatically flying. Nice. Uh-oh. Here comes the robots. And that answer was yes. It will help, I guess. I just hope it will, Heavy. I would definitely agree with you. Oh, yeah. As long as those blue robots get destroyed, I hope they get destroyed. Ha! Hope they do. Anyways, my name is Saxton Hale, the Kings of Hales 2. Now, hope you all enjoyed the video. Give this one a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. And many months once more again, as I really hope you all do enjoy this video. And thanks again for enjoying this video. Soon, hope you all enjoyed. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye, signing out. And also, my name is Saxton Hale, the Kings of Hales 2. And also, we will be seeing you upon the next video. See ya.